Okay, evening.
It's quiet. Flipping out, we won. Come on, Jesus.
Okay, we've had worse nights. We've got Ryan, 10, 15 minutes, and in the usual manner, question, answer, translation. So, who wants to go first? Ian.
Ryan, many congratulations.
Thank you.
Euro 2020, special night for Wales.
Yeah, special night. You know, after what happened in the summer, to come back and to qualify, the lads have showed grit, determination, quality, never give up attitude, and yeah, they deserve all the plaudits they're going to get because even though we had games to make up, there was no real room for error. So the concentration and, like I say, the quality that the lads shown, yeah, deserve it.
Gratulálunk, nagyon speciális, különleges pillanat. Igen, nagyon, főleg a nyári vereségek után nehéz volt visszajönni, de vissza kellett jönni. Elszántak voltunk, nem adtuk föl, és minden tapsot megérdemelnek a fiúk, nem lehetett hibázni.
Two goals for Aaron Ramsey's first start for Wales in over a year. Magical performance from him, and he's sent you to the Euros.
Yeah, better late than never, I suppose. No, I mean, when we have missed him, missed that quality. We've got some very good players within the squad, but they don't grow on trees. Players who can make the difference, and Aaron tonight was the difference, and it couldn't have worked out any better. To be fair, Saturday, getting him on the pitch, and he put on a really good performance on Saturday, and he's just carried that on today. With the goals, with his overall performance, composure, quality, finding them little pockets. No, I'm really pleased for him.
Ramseyvel kapcsolatban ugye 2 gólt lőtt és varázslatos teljesítményt nyújtott. Igen, jobban jött, mint bármikor, ugye a szombatival összevetve még, vagyis ahhoz hozzátéve. Hiányzott nekünk, sok jó játékosunk van, de ő nagyon hiányzott nekünk. Folytatta a szombati teljesítményt és a minőségével kiemelkedett.
It's up there. It's one of the greatest nights of my life. Simple as that. Like I say, it wasn't a great place that we were in after the summer. Difficult circumstances, 2 away games, and obviously coming away with nothing. There was no room for error, and then we play against Azerbaijan, don't put on a great performance, but dig out a result. From then, really, we've been brilliant. Every play that's come in, and yeah, it's up there. Obviously I achieved a lot as a player, but it's different. It's different as a manager. The pressure that you're under. You're helpless, really, on match day. Where you used to, obviously, never got nervous as a player. As a manager, you're nervous 24/7 because, can prepare the team as best you can. But ultimately, that's what you have to do. And then come game day, it's out of your hands, really.
Hol teszed ezt az életedben és a futball kontextusában? Hát ez életem egyik legszebb estéje. Játékosként sok mindent elértem, játékosként sosem izgultam, de menedzserként egész más. Ugye eljön a meccsnap, és itt éjjel-nappal izgultam. Nem hibázhatunk, az Azerbajdzsánban nagyon jól játszottunk, és megint megismételte, hogy a 2 vereség után nyáron visszajönni, ez volt a kritikus pont.
Hope so. I'm struggling if it doesn't. Yeah, I mean, obviously there was, there always is, and I think whoever would have took over after what Cookie did, fantastic achievement. He showed the way, and I asked the players who'd been there and done it to climb that mountain again. It's not easy. It's not easy to do that. And a lot has been said about young players, bringing the young players through, but you can't do it without the older players. You've seen Wayne's double save. Already mentioned Aaron, Joe Allen tonight, outstanding. Gareth, last 2 camps, putting his body on the line. Ben Davis, Ashley Williams, it's not easy. Leaving out perhaps the greatest captain that the country's ever seen. So it's, hopefully it's gone a long way. I set out to obviously qualify in a major championship, but more than that, leave Welsh football in a better state than when I took over, which wasn't going to be easy because, like I say, what Cookie achieved. So, this is just the beginning. You've seen a lot of young players over the last year, 18 months, and they can get better. They can definitely get better.
A kinevezésed napján sok szkeptikus volt, és kérdezik, hogy sikerült-e őket meggyőzni. Remélem, hogy igen, ha ezzel nem, akkor semmivel, de ez mindig így van, amikor valamilyen olyan előttől veszed át a stafétabotot, akinek nagy sikerei voltak. Nem könnyű innen folytatni, de ki kell emelni a fiatalok és az idősebb játékosok összetartását. Megemlítette Ramsey-t, Bale-t, Allent, Davis-t és Ashley Williams-et, aki talán az ország minden idők legjobb kapitánya. A cél az volt, amikor átvettem, hogy kijussunk, de ezentúl az is, hogy jobb állapotban hagyjam a válogatottat, mint ahogy átvettem, és ez még csak a kezdet.
Thank you.
At the beginning of the qualification series, you didn't really think that Hungary would be an issue at the end. Finally, we were an issue. And what do you think? How much did it surprise you that you had to play a sort of almost like a final with Hungary? Whoever wins goes and qualifies. How much did it surprise you, the whole group?
It actually didn't surprise me. I think everyone recognised when the groups were made that Croatia were the favourites because of what they achieved in the summer and the quality that they've got. But then after that, I thought that, you know, the three countries underneath that were evenly matched. Slovakia have got quality players, and Hungary, with a manager who had them organised, had them working hard, and the quality that Hungary possess as well. I thought it would be tight, and then you see Hungary get off to such a good start. You know, had fantastic results early on. And yeah, it was probably the reverse, really. We got off to a winning start, but then after that struggled a little bit. It's probably the reverse for Hungary, and everyone beat each other in this group, and it was really competitive. So yeah, I'm obviously pleased to come through, along with Croatia, who are a quality side. But yeah, obviously Slovakia and Hungary pushed us all the way.
Az elején nem hitted volna, amikor elkezdődött a selejtező sorozat, hogy Magyarország tényező lehet. Meglepő ez neked, hogy tulajdonképpen döntőt játszottunk. Nem meglepő, azt tudtuk, hogy Horvátország kiemelkedik, és abszolút favorit, de mindenki tudta, hogy az utána következő 3 csapat között szoros lehet a verseny. Ez így is alakult, pont fordítva történt mind a 2 csapatnak a menetelése. Mi jól kezdtünk, Magyarország jól kezdett, utána torpant meg, mi pedig rosszul kezdtünk, és utána támadtunk föl. Körbeverések voltak, de örülök, hogy tovább jutottunk, és Horvátország mellé léphetünk.
No, it probably hasn't sunk in yet. But yeah, I just said, you know, the players can get better with the help of the more experienced lads who aren't over the hill by any stretch of the imagination. They've got more major championships definitely in them. But yeah, it's with me that what I've found and my staff have found, it's getting the players playing. You know, playing regular, and when they turn up and they're playing regular, you see a difference. You know, you see Matty Smith, he starts against Slovakia because he was playing regularly. Now he's not. It's a bit different. It's difficult for him. Ethan, it's always been a struggle with Ethan because he's not got regular game time. So if everyone's playing, if everyone's fit, I have a real struggle to pick a squad because the strength in depth is huge, both with the older players and the younger players. But yeah, hopefully I will have that problem of picking a squad because of the quality that we do possess.
Sose láttalak még ilyen boldognak. Mi várható az Európa-bajnokságon, főleg figyelembe véve a fiatal játékosok jó teljesítményét? A fiatalok mindig tanulhatnak az idősebb tapasztalattal rendelkező játékosoktól, és egyébként is nagy bajnokságokban játszanak. A csapatomnak a célja mindig az, hogy az játszon, aki rendszeresen játszik, és láttuk például, hogy Smith és Ampadu korábban játszottak, Smith kezdett Szlovákia ellen, most például nem, Ampadu sem kezdő mostanában. Nehéz dönteni, amikor mindenki rendelkezésre áll, és mindenki jól játszik, de hát ez egy édes teher.
Thank you. that we need to improve. I don't know if I'd enjoy that, but we do. I didn't think it was a fantastic performance. I thought we showed grit, determination, not giving any chances away, but our quality on the ball can be better, and it needs to be better with, what I've just touched on, the quality that we possess. But it's a fantastic achievement with the amount of players that I've used. They've all bought into what we want to do as a team, how we want to defend, how we want to play. And yeah, it's a bit of a roller coaster. We've missed Brooks, we've missed Johnny Williams, missed Aaron Ramsey for a long time. These are players that can make the difference. So I'll enjoy it. I'll enjoy it tonight, because you've got to enjoy tonight. But yeah, then I'll start looking forward and looking at ways that the team and the squad can improve, because, like I say, we'll have to.
Ez volt az első selejtező sorozatod. Jövő héten, hogyha visszagondolsz, akkor mire fogsz gondolni, mit élveztél a legjobban? Hát arra fogok gondolni, hogy tovább kell fejlődnünk. Nem volt fantasztikus, ahogy játszottunk. Erősek voltunk, elszántak voltunk, de ennél például jobb labdabirtoklás kell. Az egész egy hullámvasút. Hiányzott például sokszor Williams, Ramsey vagy Brooks, akik nem álltak rendelkezésre. De a ma estét élvezni kell, és utána tovább menni és fejlődni.
No, I didn't. I mean, I never thought of that until it was brought up in a few of the interviews before the game. I never thought about the past, really. I felt that you can never be sure in football, but the momentum that we've had since after the Azerbaijan game, I can't say I felt confident, because you can't in football, but the momentum that we gathered and the quality that we had and the quality that we show in training, we give ourselves a great chance. So, no, I never really looked to the past, because it's different, obviously different management, a few different players, and fearless. A lot of the players were fearless. The lads who went through that don't want it to happen again, like you do in football. So, yeah, I never really talked about it, never really thought about it. It was just about tonight winning. All I said was carry on doing what you've been doing and we'll be okay.
Ritka az, hogy talán otthon kivívja magának egy csapat a kijutást. Ugye emlékszünk Írországra és Izrael elleni meccs, amikor nem sikerült. Mi a véleményed erről? Nem gondolkoztam a múlton, csak a ma számított. Amíg nem hozták fel interjúban a tényleg nem gondolkoztam ezen. Sose lehetsz biztos. Az biztos, hogy az azerbajdzsáni meccs után mellettünk állt a momentum és a lendület. Talán mondhatom azt, hogy magabiztos voltam, de nem lehet biztosra menni. Ami mellettünk állt, az a minőség, emiatt jó esélyünk volt, de kellettek a játékosok, akik nem féltek, és nem akarták megismételni a múltkori nehéz pillanatokat. A játékosok lecserélődtek, tehát nem lehetett összehasonlítani a két különböző szituációt, de csak a ma számított.
I don't know about, because as a player, you want to play in major championships. I grew up watching, my first memory was the 82 World Cup. It's my favourite World Cup, because that was my first memory of a World Cup, of a major championship. But it's different as a manager. My playing career is over. I had a fantastic sort of longevity in my playing career, and many highs, many, lows as well. So, but this is different. This feels amazing. The group of players that I've got, and my staff. I'm a relatively young coach. I couldn't have done it without my staff. So together we did it. The fans, the players, the staff around me, and as a player, basically you just look after yourself. You're quite selfish. You are. As a manager, you have to look at everything, including you guys. Like I said, the fans, the staff, the players. you have to manage everything. So it's a completely different sort of kettle of fish. So I didn't really, when I took over, think about my playing career. It was all about getting Wales to another major championship as a manager.
A múltat idézve csak egy pillanatig, ugye neked kétszer nem sikerült kijutni nagy világeseményre, 2 nagy csalódás van mögötted játékosként, nem játszottál nagy tornán, viszont a mai siker megnyugtat-e, talán a szellemeket a múltból elidézi-e, idézi a 82-es VB-t, amiről az első emlékei vannak, és elmondja, hogy menedzserként, szövetségi kapitányként egész más az egész, játékosként, egy hosszú játékos karrier adatot meg neki. Játékosként csak magaddal törődsz, önző lehetsz, viszont menedzserként, szövetségi kapitányként figyelned kell a csapatra, a személyzetre és a szurkolókra is, és még rátok is, az újságírókra. Úgyhogy nem gondoltam a múltra, és még egyszer örülök, hogy sikerült a mai.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.
On the next few months. Thank you.